Everybody, my name is Karmnye. Welcome to my channel Paper Fun. Today we will make paper fishes, and this is my Khushaan. Today we will make paper fishes that can straight, and Khushaan teach me. Yes, Khushaan. Then and my Didi also trained me. So first we need the paper, and we can show you all the materials: a paper, a scissor, and a pencil. So first we will start with our pencil. You can keep your scissor here. So take your pencil. So we will draw like this. And do the same with the other side. Then if you are done, so cut it. We have to draw it like this. Then cut it. Khushaan, take your scissors. Then we cut your paper like this. Then if it's done, so fold your paper like this. It has to be equal. If it's not, it can be not equal. So you can fold. So doesn't matter, because just make it a little bit of equal. Khushaan, you did bad. You only teach me and you didn't. So I can just help you. Because I remember, that's why I'm making a video. Is it done? So, then take your scissors. Then let's do the easiest part ever first. So, take a pencil, Khushaan. I can give you. And I also take my pencil. Make a mark here, and you can draw anything like this. I'm drawing the eyes and the mouth. So you can draw anything. And then we will not cut on this line. We will cut here, not this line or in this. Okay? So take your scissors. Khushaan, that was my scissor. You are very naughty. Then you have to cut it, but not fully, just a little bit. So you can Khushaan, you don't remember? So do it. Not very funny.
I did.
No, do it in the whole fish.
In the whole fish?
Yeah, we have to. ऊपर नीचे.
ऊपर नीचे करना है.
I just said it in Hindi because he doesn't understand English very much.
I do.
So why were you saying in Hindi? Who, yeah, who? So do you want to do a fun part? Do you want to do a fun part, Khushaan? So put your paper like this and punch it very hard. You have to not punch it, but I just said because he's my friend. For fun. So you can complete your cutting.
Now you cutted it.
So your fish is ready and it can stretch. Oh. But be gentle because it can be turned auto. It's very tricky. It's very fun. Whoa. Now I want to, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. So Khushaan has come to my home, so let's do a surprise for him. Khushaan, eyes closed. Now, this is my gift leftover from yesterday, my mom's birthday. So, Khushaan, open your eyes. There's cake for you, and your favorite fruit is strawberry, and that is strawberry also.